my dear friend. Tonight, let me tell you a soft and gentle story. A story about a quiet night by the ocean in a peaceful seaside village called Oakhaven, where the air always smelled fresh and salty, and the waves could be heard from every home. There lived a small, fluffy dog named Milo. Milo had warm, golden fur like toasted oats, soft ears that bounced when he walked, and calm, sleepy eyes that always looked kind. Milo loved many things. He loved the sunshine on his back. He loved the feel of soft green grass, and he loved chasing tiny, colorful butterflies. But more than anything, Milo loved the beach at night. Every evening, just as the sky began to turn purple and blue, Milo would slowly walk down the quiet path leading to the great wide ocean. The path was soft and sandy, with small, sleepy plants growing along the sides. The air felt cool and gentle, and everything around him felt calm. That evening, Milo felt especially tired. He had spent the whole day playing, running through big open fields and exploring new, exciting places. Now his little paws moved slower than usual, step by step, patter, patter, patter. As he reached the beach, the soft sand welcomed him. It felt cool beneath his paws, smooth and comforting. The ocean stretched far and wide in front of him, calm and glowing under the moonlight. The waves moved slowly, coming forward to touch the shore, and then gently pulling back again. Milo walked along the shoreline, slowly, peacefully. He listened carefully to the soft song of the sea. The waves moved in and out like a quiet rhythm. Not far away, a small wooden boat floated on the water. It rocked gently, back and forth, back and forth. Milo stopped for a moment and looked at the boat. It moved so slowly, so peacefully, as if the boat itself were nodding off to sleep. Above him, the moon shone brightly, round and soft and silver. Its light spread across the water like a long, shimmering blanket of stars. Tiny stars began to appear in the deep sky, one by one, quietly glowing like little night lights. Milo took a deep breath in. The air smelled like the ocean breeze, fresh and calming. Then he slowly breathed out, letting all the tiredness leave his body. As he walked a little further, he noticed a tiny crab moving sideways across the sand. The crab paused, looked at Milo with its teeny eyes, and then continued its slow journey home to the dunes. Milo smiled softly. Everything felt peaceful. Everything felt safe. He found his favorite spot, a soft, quiet place near a big, smooth rock. Milo slowly sat down, then gently lay his belly on the sand, resting his heavy head on his soft paws. The sand felt warm from the day's sun, supporting his tired, fluffy body. The waves continued their gentle sound, in and out, in and out. The boat rocked slowly, the stars shimmered above, and the cool breeze brushed against his golden fur. Milo noticed how the moonlight played on the water. Small ripples sparked like diamonds, floating gently toward the shore. Everything was moving in slow motion, like a dream beginning to take shape. He felt the weight of his ears resting against the sand. He felt the fluff of his tail become still. The world was whispering to him, telling him that the day was over and the night was here to hold him close. Milo's eyes began to feel heavy, very, very heavy. He opened them just a tiny bit, looking at the silver moon one last time. Then slowly, very slowly, his eyes began to close. The sound of the crickets in the tall grass joined the sound of the ocean, a soft humming song for the village of Oakhaven, a song of peace, a song of rest. His breathing became calm and steady. The sounds around him softened. The waves felt more distant. The night felt deeper. Milo was now drifting into a beautiful sleep. The ocean continued its gentle rhythm. The stars continued to shine, and Milo slept peacefully on the soft, warm sand. The small wooden boat continued to sway, creak and sway, floating in the moonlight, tied safely to the old wooden dock. It had finished its work for the day, and now it too was resting. The tiny crab reached its burrow and curled up inside the cool earth. The beach grass stopped waving and stood still, listening to the silence of the midnight sky. Milo's paws gave a tiny, soft twitch. Perhaps he was dreaming of the butterflies again, but now they were slow and golden, flying through a sky made of velvet. Time passed quietly. The world remained calm. The little crab was safe in its home. The boat still floated gently, and the moon watched over everything. Milo dreamed softly of silver waves, of twinkling stars, of peaceful, quiet nights. The whole village was now sleeping. The chimneys had stopped their smoke. The lamps had all been turned down low. Only the moon stayed awake to keep a gentle eye on the world. Now, it's your turn. Take a slow breath in. Feel the air fill your chest with peace, and gently breathe out, letting go of every thought. Let your body relax from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Let your mind rest. Just like Milo, you are safe, you are loved, you are calm. The night is quiet, the world is at peace. The stars are high above, watching over you with their soft light. Feel the heaviness of your pillow supporting your head. Feel the warmth of your covers wrapping you in a hug. And slowly, gently, you drift into sleep. The ocean is whispering. The moon is shining. The world is waiting for tomorrow. But for now, there is only rest. Good night. Sleep peacefully.